Hello everyone, welcome to Fantastico YouTube channel, and the topic for today is very interesting, that is 5 ways to promote your product on Instagram. So ever since social media has come into existence, it has changed the ways of marketing. The businesses which once dealt to be offline went online. Today people are investing more in social media marketing than offline marketing. Products has been launched through online webinars or live sessions and digital events. The promotion is also being done on social media itself to make it reach as many as people it can. And in all the social media platforms, Instagram has turned out to be the most useful and effective platform for online marketing and businesses. There are two types of promotions that occur on Instagram. So the first is the paid promotion, in which we pay money for our page or our product. And the second is the unpaid promotions, that is the organic promotions. So in our video, we are going to discuss the ways to promote your page or product on Instagram via organic promotions. So the first way is cross promotion. In this, we promote other page's product or their content, and in exchange they promote our. Basically it is like a paid promotion, but instead of giving money, we do the exchange of content product promotions. Second is the live sessions. Instagram has become the most prominent way to launch or promote any product. People go live with known people or celebrities to increase their followers and reach of the page or product. Through live sessions, you interact with new people and also receive feedback which helps you to improve your content and quality. Suppose like you are in a live with a person who has about 1 lakh followers, then you are interacting with those people too in your live sessions, right? So the third is hashtags and tagging. So using of latest hashtag and tagging of trending people and topics will help you to promote your post and reach maximum audience. These trending keywords make sure that your product receive max reach, and also the tagging brings the possibility that your post can be reshared by the tagged people or company. Okay, so the fourth way is contest and giveaways. So rewards are the best way to attract an audience to you. You can organize any contest related to your company or the product and give prizes to the winner. This will increase your reach and indulgence of the audience in your product. Many companies use the strategy where users have to tag other users in the comment section and share the post to register themselves in the contest. So this is also a good way for attracting an audience. Okay, so the last and the fifth point is right post at right time. So you need to post good quality images and videos about the product which gives brief detail about it, so that the audience can refer it for the product. Also, you need to make sure at what time you are posting. You just can't post at any random time. There should be a peak time when you know you have the most audience engaged with you. You can also use the countdown feature of Instagram, or you can also check through your insight that at what time should I post. Like in insight, if you will go, you can see the maximum audience are engaging on this time, so you can go and check over there also. So yeah, that's it from my side, and these are the 5 top ways to promote your page or product on Instagram and increase your audience or your reach. So I hope that you like our video, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for your further notifications. Thank you. And yeah, just one more thing, if you want to support us, then go to the link given in the description box below, or you can directly visit to our website and support us over there. Thank you.